Congratulations, Hatis, for your certification. Are you happy?
Thank you. I'm very happy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So she did all waxing course and threading course. Now Hatis will share her experience.
Yes, I didn't know anything about vaccine before. I saw your Instagram and I decided to take the course. Really very helpful lady. You are very patient first and detail, all detail you give us. When I have a question, you quickly answer and then again and again. I understand everything. Thank you very much, really. And enjoy with her. Now I had wax certificate. You should visit here. Student or customer, you can visit. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So you never did waxing before, right?
No, I
Have you
didn't.
ever did for
No,
anybody, for yourself?
No,
By
I
yourself?
didn't.
Never did, right? So
Yeah,
okay.
no, I didn't.
So over here, when you came on the first day, you tried, you
Yes,
learned everything,
first
right?
time, yeah.
And now you can watch her third day waxing video. You guys will be very surprised how good she is, and she was really good on her third day. So if Hatis can learn this in a week, then you guys also can learn it very quickly, because I always show lots of tips and techniques, so you can grab it very faster. Hatis, now you think like you can take independent client on your
Yes,
own?
I will.
You
I
have
will.
that much confidence to take
Yes,
client?
yes, yeah. I'm very surprised. Me too.
That's
Yeah,
good.
thank you.
And let me give you another certificate. So this one you can hold it. You can hold it in this hand if you want. Oh, 3 and 4.
First time certificate in Canada. This for you.
Thank you. It was so nice. I loved it. Beautiful flowers.
Thank you.
And I like to say she is really hardworking. She have a lot of potential to learn very quickly. She listen whatever I said. She always follow what I said.
Thank you.
And I wish you good luck for your best
Thank you
future.
very much. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like my video. If you like my videos, then please like and share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you never miss any upload. Please press this bell icon so you get all the notification from me. Until then, stay home, stay safe. I love you guys so much, and see you soon with brand new video.